Imagine a world where your car is integrated with your smartphone and home appliances. Well, Xiaomi just brought us a step closer to this reality. The Chinese electronics giant has announced its entry into the electric vehicle market with the unveiling of its first car model, the Xiaomi SU7. They've poured an impressive 10 billion yuan into the development of this vehicle, a testament to their commitment to this new venture. With the launch of the SU7 on the horizon, Xiaomi is set to take the domestic market by storm. So Xiaomi is not just making a car, they're crafting a seamless experience. But Xiaomi isn't just entering a market, they're entering a battlefield. The Chinese electronics giant is gearing up to face off with heavyweights like Tesla and Porsche in the electric vehicle arena. With the introduction of their SU7 model, Xiaomi is not just throwing their hat in the ring, they're aiming to redefine it. Their ambitious vision? To become an industry leader in autonomous driving. By integrating their vehicle with their smartphone technology and internet-connected home appliances, Xiaomi is seeking to offer a seamless, interconnected experience that sets them apart. Xiaomi is not just aiming to compete but to lead the race. Now let's delve into the details of this intriguing car. The Xiaomi SU7 is no ordinary electric vehicle. It boasts an impressive driving range of 628 to 800 kilometers, perfect for those long drives. But what sets the SU7 apart is its integration with Xiaomi's other smart devices. Imagine controlling your car with your smartphone or having it sync seamlessly with your internet-connected home appliances. And the cherry on top? It's listed as a tax-exempt new energy vehicle, so the SU7 is not just a car but a smart device on wheels. A revolutionary vehicle comes with a price, and it's not going to be a small number. Lei Jun, Xiaomi's CEO, has made it clear that the rumors about a low price tag for the SU7 are unfounded. This shouldn't come as a surprise given the advanced technology, superior range, and the integration with Xiaomi's smart devices. It's important to remember that Xiaomi is no stranger to success. Their recent triumphs in the smartphone and e-commerce sectors underscore their prowess. So, are you ready to embrace the future with Xiaomi's SU7? Share your thoughts in the comments.